Alright, problem number 2, Unit 12 Study Guide, Vector and Trig Applications. We have two vectors, u, defined by 4i minus 2j, component-wise, and v equals 3i plus 6j. And we want to find vector w, which is going to be u plus 2, the scalar 2, times v. So let's start going, and we can say that w is going to equal, and I'm just going to write u for I minus 2j plus, and now we have 2 times v, which is, sorry, wrong color, v is 3i plus 6j. And now you can just distribute and combine like terms, and ain't no problem, it's a breeze. W equals 4i minus 2j plus 2 times 3 is 6i plus 2 times 6 is 12j, and combined like terms, for I goes with 6i, we're going to get 10i, negative 2j goes with our 12j, oh, and that's interesting, we're going to get 10j as well. Almost done. Last thing we want to do is to write this in component form. So to do that, I'm just going to write it as 10, comma, 10. And now we want to sketch the resultant vector. Now what that is saying is we want to draw this vector in standard form. And to do that, alright, so to sketch this vector as composed by its pieces, to do that, we want to show the two individual vectors, u and 2v, and we want to show how we compose them to get our resultant, which in this case is w. So for standard position, we start with a point at the origin, and then we'll do our first vector, which is u, which we need to go over 4 positive in the x direction and down 2. So we're going to get to that point right there. We'll draw our vector, that's u, and then we want to go tip to tail, we want to add our 2v, which we need to go from this point, right 6, which is going to take us to an x value of 10, and up 12, which is going to take us to a y value of 10 as well. So we're going to end up way up there. And then we can draw our line in, and that's our vector. And then to sketch our resultant vector, we go from the origin straight to the end. So we got u, we got w, and we got 2v, and we're done.